The ongoing battle between Biafra Liberation Army and Nigeria Army and the Ebube-Agu in Orsu today. No be small thing, no. They say that Nigeria Army now dress like Ebube-Agu to come to the camp where Biafra Army dey. No be small thing happen for that place o. And this Biafra Liberation Army commander don come outside come tell us say many people kpai for the matter. No be small thing, my people. We go play you the video make you watch from beginning to end, and before we go come back continue. Try to lis ten wetin he talk for this video, because he say how explain how Nigeria Army take dress like Ebube-Agu while one enter inside their camp. Oh, things dey happen o. My people, let's watch the video together before we go come back continue. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. I know say you wan watch the video and hear wetin dey happen, but make sure say you follow this page and also share this video so that other people go see am. They go see put mouth and know wetin dey happen. Let's watch this video together, and before we come back and continue as well.
I am here to update you of what conspired in Orsu today. Before I proceed, I would like to tell you to disregard anybody that tell you that hope I make peace with Biafra Liberation Army in Imo State. There is nothing like hope making peace with Biafra Liberation Army in Imo State. Whosoever that gave you that information is telling you propaganda, what is not real. There is nothing like hope. Our demand is made clear. Anybody that say that he does not know what we want is lying. And whosoever that say that he does not know why we are doing what we are doing is equally lying. Whosoever that tell you that he does not understand the purpose of insecurity among the Islamization of Nigeria is lying equally. There is no way that peace will reign unless Biafra is restored. There is no way that peace will reign in Nigeria unless the people that have been, prison for ordinarily agitating for the restorations of Biafra Republic of Biafra Republic, as long as they are not free, there will be no peace. As long as Nnamdi Kanu is still in the custody of DSS, the prison of Nigeria Islamic State, Nigeria will have no peace. As long as they are still killing innocent Biafrans, kidnapping them and harvesting their kidney, Nigeria will have no peace. So whosoever that come up and tell you that hope have make peace with Biafra Liberation Army in Imo State, he does not know what he's saying, because hope will never see peace. Now, having tell you this and clear the air, let me come back to what conspired today and give you the authentic information. Be careful of Ebube-Agu. Anywhere you see Ebube-Agu in your area, please endeavor to update us their eye out, their checking point, their station. Because those people are not Igbo's children. Hope are informed the Nigeria Army and Nigeria Police, Nigeria Islamic Forces to up their uniform and dress like Ebube-Agu so that nobody will know any attack they will launch. Nobody will know that it is Army, Nigeria Islamic State Forces. This is what they did today. But the difference is that Ebube-Agu did not have armor tango. Today they came to Orsu with 3 armor tank this very evening, and launched an attack. And good enough, they thought we always asleep. Unknowing to them that we are always prepared, waiting for the worst. We knocked them down. But unfortunately, not so bad. One old man was injured today by them. The 3 armor tanks they came with, they luckily go out with 2 and tow 1 alongside with them, with their dead body. But nevertheless, we have already said that this February is going to be, this January is going to be a very peaceful January, so that he who come against the land, he who refused to repent in the month of February, will have himself to be blamed. This evening, they have come and they have died. I told them that it does not matter any time they comes, and it doesn't really matter the way they come. But what matters is that anyhow they come, any way they come, they must die. They must die. That is settled. As long as they come with the mind of killing innocent Biafrans or killing in Biafra land, there is nothing that will save their life. The land of Biafra will swallow all of them. But do not forget about the important information I gave you this evening, that these people, the Nigeria Army, Nigeria Police, Nigeria Islamic Forces, are no longer dressing in their Islamic uniform. They are now dressing as civilian, joining Ebube-Agu, so that people will think that they are Ebube-Agu coming to attack us. That is the fact and the figure on the ground tonight. And I want to tell them that we know whatever strategies or whatever mean they apply to come, we are aware of it. Because Ebube-Agu then said to be the vigilante group does not have armor tank, and today they have come with 3 armor tank today to try their best. As coward as they always be, their best was not best enough, and they ran away with their dead body. But don't worry, pass this message to them. Pass this message to them that the month of February is going to be very hot. The month of March is going to be over hot. As I always tell them, let me ensure them once again tonight that we have come to restore Biafra, and nothing can stop us. Nothing on earth can stop us. It is either Biafra or Biafra. And whosoever that think that we cannot get this Biafra, let them stand on our way and see if they will go back alive. Biafra is the last hope of humanity, especially the black race. And as I told them that we are prepared, we were prepared before we comes, because we are the spirit that killed many years ago. And we are back to proclaim what really belongs to us. And tell them that in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. Yes. In this land of our ancestors, nothing moves us. This government is our government. And we must proclaim what is totally, fully belongs to us. It doesn't really matter who is involved. So, I've told you, when I started this, I told you that we have three things in mind, and that was our mission. The first mission was to stabilize the economy of Nigeria, destroy the forces of Nigeria, and go after our enemies. Today, you can bear me witness that dollars are now equal to 140 something, 1,400 and something naira per dollars. What a history. Believe you me, before February will run out, dollars will be equal to 2,000. Yes, it was our target to ensure that nothing is functioning in Nigeria. And we have achieved that. Army have been running away. We have achieved that. But we will stop at nothing until Biafra territory is totally free from the intruder. Now we have three missions again to achieve. 1, government house. 2, state and federal secretariat. 3, army barrack. As I told you before, if you are any man staying close to any of these three places I've mentioned, please relocate for your safety, because our coming will be like that of Jesus you have been waiting for. But the difference between us and Jesus is that we will come sooner than you expected than that of Jesus, because Jesus will never come back. So therefore, relocate, because we are going to we are going to host a very powerful crusade that every sinner will be repented by fire, by force. By fire, by force. By fire, by force. Let me tell you, this is not going to be a call to an altar asking you, will you like to give your life to Jesus or not? This one is compulsory giving your life, and not just giving your life. You will go. We will send you to go and meet God and ask God for forgiveness. If He like, He forgive you. If He doesn't like, you remain in hell. I am the one telling you this, that this will be compulsory repentance. The day we will hold crusade in these three places, anything found around here will repent by fire, by force. Do not say I did not warn you. We do not have time to look time. We do not have time for any. The only thing that is bothering us, the only thing that is motivating us, the only thing that is in our mind, the only thing that we are ready to do is to restore Biafra. If you like, You hear me? If you do not like, you close your ear. If you are in these three places, please move away. Move, give a distance from these three places. Government house, barrack, and state and federal secretariat. We are coming for every state in Biafra land. They cannot escape our wrath. We will hold crusade. And this crusade is compulsory giving life to God. Whether you like it or not, we are coming. You know us. We do not have secrets. We will tell you what we are about to do so that you prepare and wait for us. If you fail to wait for us, that is your business. But we are definitely going to come, and there is nothing you can do about it. Once we finish our self-referendum, we are waiting for an order. Move, we move. And when we move, we do not look back. Because your guns and bullet cannot kill us. Your bomb cannot do us any harm. Your eye cannot see us. Yes, you know this. You know this quite well. That when we move, we do not look back. Because what is behind us is irrelevant. What is before us is more ultimate. And that which is before us is Biafra. And nothing can stop us from achieving that. Biafra all the way. Biafra we will get. Anything that stands on our way will be crushed down. You have testified, you know it. Hope, we are coming for you. Soludo, we are coming for you. Every governor in Biafra land who have betrayed his people, we are coming for you. You will not have any place to hide. You will not have any place to run to. But the funny thing is that you will pay for your crime, and your children children will pay for your crime. That is what we can assure you. You can never sin against the people of the land. You can never sin against the land and you go free. Never. It will never happen. Wait, your time is counting down. You know us, we know the rush. We are not in the hurry. We take our time. We are coming. Once again, I want to tell Biafra people to get prepared. Because this rain that is gathering will definitely fall. As I told you before that this rain might not fall up to 1 week. But it must fall. It's gathering. The momentum of this gathering is so high that this rain cannot fail to fall. But be assured that it might not be up to 1 month, 1 week. And at the end of this, Biafra will be restored. Fully be restored. No human being can stop it. No man or woman born of a woman can stop it. No spirit can stop it. They never born that person. They never born that person. So therefore, prepare to resist this rain from touching you. Definitely, it must fall. Those who understand will be safe. Those who do not understand, I wish you best. Should I say, I will leave you to your fate. Let me leave you to your fate. Because I wonder how you will escape this rain if you are not with umbrella. Anyway, we are coming to swallow all the enemies of Biafra. They cannot kill us again. We refuse to die second time. And that is why they are panicking. They have exhausted everything they have to stop us. They have wasted billions and billions of naira. Do you know what it means for somebody to waste billions of naira to stop something and he could not? They have wasted billions of naira and yet they could not stop us. They have come with all manners of machinery to stop us and they could not stop us. They have come to make peace. They could not stop us. Now it's time to swallow them alive. They will die. They will not see what killed them. Because the spirit of land, of the Biafra land, are really, indeed, really waking up. They have come to restore what is fully belongs to them. And that we will do without hesitating. And nobody can stop us. For you Biafrans, wake up and resist the evil. Wake up and get ready to defend your life. Your life, not even, we are covered the land. Your life. Because these people, they have thrown away the army uniform, the Islamic clothes, they have thrown away it. They are not dressing like you. Mufti, open your eye and differentiate Fulani from you. They have come in a different style. Be vigilant anywhere you are. Because this enemy of Biafra, they will all go down. The same way their master and their nation will go down. Anybody that step their foot into the land of Biafra will never go back alive. Get ready. I will advise you to gather food. Gather food that will sustain you for 1 week. Gather food. Because we are going to block every way that the intruder will have access to our land. We will destroy every way to make sure that our land is safe from the Islamic forces. As our father said to them, that they can never win us. So also we say to them that they can never win us. Yes. I did not bring this message for you to be panicked. Rather, I brought this message for you to be strong and become more stronger than ever. That you may be able to see the new nation that is about to be restored. And because you are very important unto us, and you are the reason why we are here. Be strong. Be strong. Be strong. Because Biafra has only one step to be restored. And at the end of this war, you and me will be on the street of Biafra dancing and singing glory to the name of Chukwu Okike Abiyamara in the streets of the rising sun. I do not intend to go longer than this. But I say, remain focused. Remain focused and remain vigilant. And God bless you that are thinking good about the land of the rising sun. But I wish the enemies of Biafra a very badly death. They cannot escape what is coming to them. In Eke, in Ore, in Afo, and in Nkwo, now and forevermore. He say, children of light, get ready to shine and shine forever. From me, from the land of the rising sun, it is good evening.
Okay, my wonderful people, no be small thing o as you don watch am for that video. Na so e take shele for inside Osumowo today as we dey talk. Abeg, may you let us know wetin you think for inside comment section. Do you think Nigeria army will ever win this war, or do you think say Biafra army go finish all of them? Tell us for inside comment section. Up Biafra and up Biafra army if it is a Nigeria Biafra army go win, and also write down Biafra they go nowhere. Now so we no go gree for anybody. Now be the code of this year. Now so it be, my people, share the video so that other people go to get the information and know wetin dey happen. Okay, my wonderful people, we'll quickly see you for inside another video as they come.